backswing, it's plain to see. You hit the ball much further if you swing more easily. If you will let me show you, I can help you break 90. You'll find that golf is such an easy game. Be sure to keep your left arm straight, keep your right elbow in. Flex your knees, bend at the waist, and keep the ball beneath your chin. Now stick your butt out, keep your head down, but most of all, relax and you'll find golf is such an easy game. You gotta putt like Jack, charge like Arnie, swing it smooth just like Ernie, be like Ben, and dig your game out of the range. Be Daly-esque and crush that driver, concentrate just like Tiger, and you'll find golf is such an easy game. All you gotta do is hit that fade like Trevino, play that draw just like Sergio, hit it straight, Byron Nelson's claim to fame.
EA Sports. It's in the game.